Ahoy, savvy travelers. Did you know 30 million people set sail on cruises every year? That's a lot of sunscreen and buffet plates. Today, we're diving into the must-have gadgets to make your cruise smoother than a pirate's pickup line. All product links are below, and don't forget to visit gadgetsprimer.com for price comparisons and ratings. Let's get ship-faced. First up, the ULG Over-Door Organizer. Imagine Mary Poppins' bag, but for your cabin door. 5 massive pockets, mesh side slots, and a PVC window so you can finally find your flip-flops without excavating like Indiana Jones. It holds 44 pounds, perfect for snacks, sunscreen, or your secret stash of pool towels. Bonus, it's so stylish, your cabin might just upgrade itself. Next, let's talk towel tyranny. These 6-pack silicone towel bands are like seatbelts for your lounge chair. Wind? Huffed. These stretchy heroes keep your towel glued in place, even if Poseidon himself starts blowing. They're tiny, colorful, and won't snap like those plastic clips from 1998. Pro tip: use extras as hair ties when you're feeling extra tropical. Ever tried lugging a suitcase bigger than your ego? Meet the folding hand truck, a 6-wheeled beast that carries 600 pounds but folds flatter than your cruise playlist's tempo. Adjustable platform, elastic straps, and wheels quieter than a librarian's shush. It's basically a superhero sidekick. Batman vacationed in Bermuda. Hydration station. The PLT Cat. Collapsible water bottle is like a yoga master. Bendy, leak-proof, and ready for hot or cold adventures. Smash it, roll it, hook it to your bag. It'll bounce back like that one cousin who always crashes family reunions. Plus, it's BPA-free, so your water tastes like water, not plastic regret. Last but not locked, KeySmart's SmartLock. Lose your luggage? Not today, Satan. This TSA-approved lock tracks your bag via Apple Find My, plays a siren if it wanders off, and survives rainstorms better than your mascara. Battery lasts 4 months, longer than your New Year's gym resolution. Android users, though, let's just say it's a strict Apple party. There you have it, your cruise arsenal, upgraded. Head to gadgetsprimer.com to snag these gems and compare prices faster than a seagull swipes fries. Smash that like button, subscribe, and keep sailing smoother than a margarita on the Lido deck. Until next time, anchors away.